Okay, earlier I talked about the open geometries, closed geometries on the toolpath directions. So let's just start off with a piece here that's, say, 24 by 24. Zoom that up here. We'll put a couple of holes in it that are 1 inch. We'll just place a couple of those in here someplace. Then we'll pick a line, and I want my line to go straight across here, so I can go F3, which is a snap. There are tool or icons from the pull down menus. You can create icons, but I've just never gotten used to using the snap from the icons. It's just F3 is straight that way or straight up this way. So we'll just pull it across here, right click to get rid of it, hit F3 again to release that snap, and let's use a 1/2 inch bit, and we're outside counterclockwise of this, and let's go around the inside counterclockwise of the holes. And those are closed geometries. The open geometry is any line that does not come back around and connect to itself again, regardless of what shape it is. If it's an oval, a C shape, or anything, if there's an open line in there anywhere, it will see it as an open geometry. And so we want to go to the center of that line. You see the arrow is right on the center of the line there. I can also tell it to go on the right side of that line. If I click it, it puts it over here, and the reason that it sees this as being the right side of the line is because I drew that line from here over to there. If I draw a line from here, F3 straight across, or any direction, and I tell it I want it to go to the right side of this line, it will go to the right side in the direction that the line was drawn. So I can tell it to go on the left side of that if I want to. We'll just pick both of them for the center line of, and it's all going to be done with a 1/2 inch bit. Tool center, 1/4 inch, and we'll just select all the geometries. And remember, I've told it to go around the inside of those, around the outside of that, and the center line of these two. So when I right click, it should place them just like that. Inside, outside, and center of. So that's just the difference between the tool directions, the open geometries, and the closed geometries, and which direction you want the lines to go. Now you could also go with, let's undo those, and I want to go a partial. I'm going to route the entire line, but I don't know which way the line was drawn as to which way the arrow is going to be put on there. I just know that I want to set my router direction in this way. The feeds and speeds and all the same. Now I'm going to go F6. I want to go from the end of there to the end of there, and right click, and you can see that's the drawing the way it was. I've applied the toolpath. It doesn't care what direction I drew the line. Let's do it again on the other one. This line was actually drawn in this direction, but I want it to go from the end of there to the end of there with my tool, and right click. So you can, it doesn't really matter which direction you draw the line on a partial. If you, on an open geometry, if you select the partial, and then you'll give it a start and an end point.